So Carl Moore is the chef at the Salvation Army School for the Blind. He's a former ward of the state and he's a past student of Calabar. And he's on a mission now to help others in state care. Good to see you, my friend. Welcome to
Thank you.
Smile Jamaica.
Thank you.
You were a ward of the state.
Yes.
Why did that happen?
When I was 2 years old, a fire gutted my home. It's a family home with me and my brothers. And we had nowhere else to go, so the government took us and sent us to the Salvation Army Nest Children's Home. That's where I've been for 19 years. And I left there when I was almost 20 years old.
So where were your parents at the time?
My dad died and my mom died in December gone.
But when you were a little boy, when that fire,
yeah,
they weren't around that time?
I don't know them. I didn't know her until I was about 18 years old. I don't know my father up to this day. I've met his sisters and all of that, but I don't know him personally. So I don't even know what he looks like. But my mom recently passed away, and I was given the privilege to bury her. So that's a thing I carry in my heart today.
I'm sorry. You want to meet your father?
He's dead.
Oh, he's gone?
Yes.
And you've never seen him?
No. My sisters told me that he passed away, so.
Not even a picture?
Not even a picture. They don't have a picture, nothing at all.
They have no idea what he looks like?
No idea what he looks like. They say he looks like me, but I don't know what me looks like, so.
You want to know?
Yes, I would love to know what me looks like, so.
I'm trying to figure out while you speak how that, but there must be some picture of him somewhere.
That's what I'm trying to say to her, to them, that we're, like, no pictures at all, nothing at all, so.
What was it like for you while you were at the home?
It was a very good experience, you know, it was a very good experience. I was never short of food, I was never short of love. The Salvation Army is really a place where it shows us the Christian aspect of life, and it teaches us how to become adults in the wider society. So when I left the nest, I was able to transition smoothly. It was hard because I was, always with people. So it was about 80 of us at the home. So when I had to leave the home, it was only me. And I had to foot it on my own. And if I wasn't given the proper training at the Salvation Army, then I wouldn't be who I am today. I wouldn't be able to handle myself in real life today.
Being at the home, what, you have just a regular day, go to school, you come back? Go to
school. I went to the Salvation Army School for the Blind. I wasn't blind, but because we lived down the street, they just sent us there. Did my GSAT, went to Calabar, came second in my class, and left from Calabar, went to the Heart, did commissary chef in level 1 and 2. Recently graduated in November, and I know a level 3 chef de partie.
I know you're back at the Salvation Army.
No, I'm back at the Salvation Army School.
I know you're a chef, but why you wanted to go back there?
Because I was given the opportunity to work there because I can minister to the children and let them know that I know what they are feeling and what they are going through. I know what they are going through, and it's really something like a message I can bring on to the younger ones, so they can know that life is not as bad as it seems outside of the children's home. And
you said you went there because you lost your home. Are all the kids there, are their kids because of other reasons?
Yes, other reasons like abuse and other different reasons why they have been sent there, but I was sent there because of the fire. Because I was from Port Antonio and it was a wooden structure and we had nowhere else to go. Okay.
So what do? You cook breakfast, lunch, dinner for everybody?
Regular school meals. Regular school meals. It's 7 of us in the kitchen, and then 1 of them that works in the kitchen along with. I'm the only man in the kitchen. I work with 6 other ladies.
Yeah. You said when you left the Nest.
The Nest Children's Home.
That's what it's called?
Yes. And now I'm working at the Salvation Army School for the Blind. Which is
different from the...
Different aspect. This one caters to the blind and visual impaired children, where I was at the Salvation Army, the Nest caters to orphanage. Or orphans.
So do you want to help them?
I want to get the orphanage, get a bus for the home, because the bus has been there since I was 7 years old, and now I'm 28 years old, and they spend at least 200, 300,000 trying to get that bus together, and by the time I get back from the garage, it's on the record. So,
ooh, you know how much a new bus costs?
I have no idea, but I'm willing to go find out.
Yeah. So you want to help?
Yes, I really want to help.
All right. Well, I know. All the attack. You can cook, Reggie?
Yes, I can cook.
Don't play me.
I'm not playing with you. I can cook.
Where are you going to cook? Are you going to put some stuff together?
Yes, it's because it's the Lent season. Yeah. And a lot of people trying to cut off the meat for the the Lent season is 40 days prior to Jesus being crucified, and some people use that as a recognition to sacrifice something.
Yeah, so what you going to do?
I'm going to assemble a salad for you. It's called a meatless salad.
Meatless salad.
Meatless salad.
You plan to do it anytime soon? Or can you just attack it?
Yes, I plan to do it anytime soon.
Man.
Okay, so now I have some chopped lettuce here that I
Just do what you're doing and explain as you go
And then I
along.
have some purple cabbage, a cup of purple cabbage. I have some kidney beans, dried kidney beans, washed and dried. I have some corn, some bell pepper, some yellow bell pepper for.
When you say bell, that salad they win.
What's that?
Salad win. You say bell.
And I have a cup of cheese.
The salad win. You can't stop. You can't stop.
And
When
I
you
have
say bell, you have to put not more
some
like
scallions for additional flavor. And I have some plummy tomatoes.
plummy tomatoes.
Plummy tomatoes are chopped in half, diced in half, I mean. And then I have some fruit mix for added protein.
You cover up the belly now.
Yes.
Never a problem.
And I have some taco seasoning, which will give it a taco flavor.
taco seasoning.
Taco seasoning. And I have a pinch of salt.
Never heard of taco
And then I have some Asian sesame dressing. We'll use it.
Gotta show off. It's like show off.
No, well, I have to show off because I want them to know that people in state care, they
Can
have
do
talent
things.
and they can
Yes,
do good
man.
things.
What you mean?
Right?
I love
I'm
that.
going to mix this all together.
I love that.
And I want it to, people eat with their eyes.
Yeah.
So I want everybody to look at it
look
and say,
good.
oh, yes.
No,
From they see it, they want a piece of it.
All right. And you're going to make a little drink also?
Yes, I'm going to make a smoothie for the children.
All right. You have a minute and a half.
Okay.
Finish with that?
Yes, I'm finished with this.
All right.
For the smoothie, my ice, a cup of ice.
Strawberry.
Yep. Strawberry. Melon. Milk. A cup of milk or a quarter milk. Greek yogurt for added flavor.
Yogurt.
Yes, Greek yogurt.
As
Plain,
opposed-
I like to use a plain yogurt because I don't want it to take away the flavor from the pineapple, from the...
Greek yogurt as opposed to Jamaican yogurt? Or-
Well, I've never seen a Jamaican yogurt, but... Yes. They added some more milk to that. And I use some flaxseed for chewing. Because kids like to, have something they can chew on and stuff.
And flaxseed is actually one of the greatest foods in life.
Yeah.
I'm helping.
Yeah, because this glove is kind of...
As you know, you can't do this thing without me. So I just sent from a long time.
All right, when I open my new restaurant,
Send for me.
I send for Never.
Of course. So it won't be easy now. Plenty flaxseed that.
Yes. And then smooth that all out together. Spoon and get it all down. Get it all mixed because they're all frozen, so it's very hard to blend. So, oh, there it's coming.
Like we are doing a little more milk.
You think so?
What do
No,
you
I want it to be thick.
Oh, you want it to be
Nice
thick?
and thick. It's a smoothie. Nice and thick.
What you do? You just boof me up on television?
No, I
I'm
didn't.
still on that one. That's beautiful. All right, Carl. So you say you want the bus,
Yeah.
right? So we want to help the Salvation Army Children's Home. You want, and there you go, Salvation Nest Children's Home
Yes.
bank account.
Yes.
If you want to help, and we need the help, there are the numbers, or the number, the bank account number. So we need some help there. That's fantastic. Really, really, really proud of you.
Thank you very
Really
much.
great to meet you.
Thank you.
And you said when you open your restaurant,
I will definitely I'll call Neville Bell to be one of the head cook. But I have to vet you first to see if you can cook.
I mean, he's a veteran and you want to vet me. I want to you, man.
That's why you will vet the veterans.
Respect. Thank you. You can't vet the veteran. That foolishness that. I'm in charge, I think. He's the chef at the Salvation Army School for the Blind. What a fantastic story. And you're a great human being.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.
His name is Carl Moore. And support, 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 support. They need a boss. Well, we can do it. We can do it, you know. We can do it. I'm telling you we can do it. If every Jamaican does put in like $10. How much are we? 3 million?
Yeah.
We can't even multiply that, but see if you can help us. Soon come. Still more and smile.